This 2014 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37KT is a Class A RV. It is located in Delaware, Ohio, 43015 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Columbus. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab. This 2014 Thor Motor Coach Challenger 37KT is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.